Tayan Tawati Chize Judu in Chuke for Sugar that in Pukim Lobter, Tenga Pena Pimiranglu Messek down with Zataki Nedan and Donle Nanchu get Tabju Sugu Che, Geji Pedun Jabjots of a mixed Sojin 10 year Soyo Batar, Sojin Ti Jede Tatsung, Kangi Kasha Yangdingi Toganan Kazan Chize Juguin, Sargil Henzo Shi Gonzo Nante, Leja Tunzenka Seda Nan Song.
And what we're calling for is for governments to be coming together to both increase the leverage and the influence that they have on China, and to be more effective in the way that they coordinate and strategize what diplomatic actions they're going to take on behalf of the Tibetan people.
Tayan Debi Ninjang Sumring Soja when Nika Kewanam, Sojung Sosur Chaguki dwelling Lobuji, Zo Tunzen Shi Jinki Lada Leja Dembib Chung Yubi Kongsu, Tangbo Zojin Di To, Chigi Gigub Ka, Shibju Sumne Pepe, Soja one Namne Raran Susu Sane Sukune, Go Sane Shunde Purita Trezoki Tumine, Sham Manzo Gume Nang, Pionangizara Nezu Tida Yak Hanjinane, Gigub Namangi Nyamruto Yashuna Nushu Tuba Nange Tang, Niba, Pionam Peminam Gilaga Gileguta Butsembe, Tablam Naso Yu Gogo Cheshimba Terry Gabjo Tangel, Lord Jemate Nitung Juksum Lor, Zamlin Gakub Nisanga Nan Haga Gilegu Tida Kabe Nangu, Sumba, Yana Gakub de Zamlin MJ Geso Gidomi Topna Sojuna Lematuba Sugutang, Tadin Pegi Jugun Kala Dembe Asia Shamoki Gakub to Gabjo Tsurup Nante, Yashula Nishu Gu, Pegi Ranjun Koyu Sunjo Nanta Jeretu.
Express deep anguish that Tibetans feel compelled to self-immolate as an act of political resistance. We resolutely stand in solidarity with their aspirations for freedom and for the return of His Holiness the Dalai Lama to his homeland.
Keba to Geji Pudun Gabjo Namne Tarimise Sojin Di Gudumbe Nabe Tame Chatam Ti Ngwele Nang, Pimirang Lu Mesek Tangi Nangi Ngunjola Taji to Gabjo Tang, Nizu Teda, Chungube Gunzen Tang, Gingur Gana Shungi Gudi Tan Tege Nunjuchingi Siju Kala to Yoba Deje Nante, Ganagi Gudi Sabatsu Gugin Teta Set of Chegube Gumashu Duba Mase, Gana Shungi Peto Zimbe Siju Dugo Yongche, Nyamje Gezo Tsumbe, Geji Dizu Ka Tang, Lingjin Nangugi Sani Dizu Ka Jene Gana Shuna Nushu Che, Susu Niyu Gigab Shunka Pensun Delam To, Zaragi Ledun Begube Redun Shuna Tu.
Peaceful resolution is in the best interest of both the Tibetan and the Chinese people.
Zarawe Tariki Pudun Gabjo Sobe Mixe Sojin Tang Yiba Teto, Zamlin Gigab Demi Shibji Shasum the Soja when you get some Lenshu Na Yoba Tang, Sojin Gin Yibeto Pegi Lanmebe Uti Chino Conskim Chimbuchoki, Pena Nedan Hajan Zara Chive True Dil, Pudun Gabjo Namne Chalin Tunguki Gone, Pegi Kanyo Sedab Gilela Jugube Gumanawa Mase, Pegi Nedin de Tama Gabu Ni Yamjeto Seguba Shiginda, Yime Ume Lamgi Tumu de Talum Lekshi Yiba Dalena Yobere, Sojin Judungi Zegueto, Gundren Zo Yaga Chisi Legungi Tungji Suba Gushab Dalit Meta Chogi Gana Shula Ngui Nedan Sedo Tuba Tang, Lakba to Ganagi Gudi Sabego, Zamlingi Gudu that Timbe Gugo Riguna Wamase, Tadun Yaga Shune Penangi Zara Nedan Tsu, Pedunto Zimbe Sijula Keshib Nangube Buguso Na Yubere. Tishin Gary Sojabe Guzab Gushab Yanji Lingi Penangi Pimirang Lu Mesek Nedin To, Gana Miman Kuku Simir Neba Tuzab Tata, Nanzu Ganagi Shirin Mangzo Tu, Pegi Ngui Nedan Kanyi Seshe Tang, Tudu Nangyu Hajang Nenga Chimbucha Yoba Sonan Song.
We must press the Chinese people to end their silence on Tibet. We should make special effort to reach out to them.
Shize Tower Pudun Tajil Geji Pudun Gabjo Sojin Tang Chu Tang, Penangi Zara Nedan Shibe Mise Sojin Tang Niche So Yoba Tang, Tang Di Sojin Gi Jugdum Zeguto Pimiti Zugi Chiti Kali Digi Chuan Chuan Soja Yona Tuji Leju Tajil, Lejaka Lale Tugu Yonga Tsu, Taduyan Pudun To Gabjo Mutu Nanjo Yowa Bugu Na Yobere.
The Tibetan people have placed great hope in us at this critical time. It is both a privilege and a great responsibility. To shoulder this responsibility well, we need first and foremost your support and unity. Thank you.
What we need is a strong support from the international community and from governments of all the world to a peaceful people like Tibet, which is an example for the humanity.
Tante chel pyo nangi netang di hajang kala kapu cha yudu ngancho la gyo badi ni geji chokde kha tang gegap so so shung nam ne zamling la mikpe tar cha pe pyo tang pyo gi rik shung sung kyop te gyap gyo shukchi thok gyu dire pyo chik pu cha mai pa do mi yong ki che tu ngancho pyo tang pyo gi rik shung kyop gyo gi re chongdu di shin rangni gi samchu tang thunggu yutap ngaran la delo kheng ba shik chungsung
to Tibetan people.
I'm actually really encouraged by the meeting. I think the process was good, and most importantly, I think people are committed to a sort of unified course of action. And for me, the most important piece of that is the call for intergovernmental, multilateral action to address the Tibetan situation and obviously the self-immolation.
Pödön tola dozi chikti ki legu pegu be tola changmu chusim tembu yimba di sebu cha son. Kechi shu di la geji nama ki nyamde tonne pöge ne dun sedib cha gu diri. Pöge ne dun te kansa sosu da gegab sosu chene ma shu par changmu nyamde ki tonne chale na di gyana la nyamde ki nu shu di gu tu la pab yu.
And I think that is what this moment demands. That is what this time is about. And this is a call that's coming top priority out of this meeting.